Hi everyone, good morning. Now we are here in the tram station for the peak. As you can see, wow, what a beautiful view, aquarium as you can see here in the station. And so many people are here, see, in front of me and behind me. See, finally we are here in the queue for the peak tram, guys. See, today we are going to peak tower. See, behind me, so many tourists are here. Oh my god, good. It's early on the morning, guys. Finally, we are here in the station. See, guys, this is the tram station for the peak. See, finally, your tram also arrived here, as you can see here. See, this is the peak tram. Wow, it's so beautiful, guys. Everyone, you can see. Wow, this is the peak tram. Finally arrived here. Okay everyone, today we are going to ride the peaktram. It's distant to 1.4 kilometer. It will be took almost 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, let's go inside, guys. Oh my god.
जीवनको प्यारो मान्छे हो कसरी बाँचौला यो जीवन काटौला जीवनको प्यारो अर्थ हो Don't
Okay everyone, finally we are here in the peak tower. As you can see, this is the tram station in the peak tower. Finally we're here on the peak. Okay everyone, now we are going off to the sky terrace for 28 guys. Sky terrace, yeah. Wow, so as you can see, everyone, finally we're here in the Tram tower here. As you can see now, we need to go upstairs. Wow. Wow. The sky terrace, as you can see here. Wow. Everyone, we are here. Anxmus, please. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oi, 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 oi. Everyone, finally we are here in the peak tower. As you can see guys, it's a sky terrace peak tower, as you can see, and so many people are here. See, as you can see, it's early in the morning. It's 11 a.m. Wow, as you can see, we can see from here it's a Hong Kong view. Wow, it's a Hong Kong city, as you can see. Wow, see. Okay guys, see. OK 啊，妈妈抓着她的肩，妹妹插口袋，腰腿伸出来，对，另外手放栏杆，对，站直一点，对，看我这里笑容，站住 ，OK 好，可以了。妹妹要站拍一个吗？妹妹站拍吗 ？OK 拍完了，三下楼全照片。1, 2, 3. Two kids, hand raise up, and everybody kick the bed up out, kick the bed up. Hit the bell up. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, boy, Papa. Okay, thank you. Oh, one level down, see photo. How about the boys and girls? Take one. Okay, one level down, see photo. Hello, take that photo. Wow, it's so beautiful. Wow. Wow, everyone, I'm here. Okay, everyone, finally, now we're going down. Guys, see water. This is the inside the view on the big tower. As you can see, it's the market inside. Okay, now we're going down. Wait. Wow. So what a beautiful decoration here. So. Everyone, see, finally we are here outside of the tower, big tower. Guys, see, now we are going back home. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video.